Welcome to Ebas Gallery. The Pininfarina-designed GranTurismo is a historically important, brand-defining model for Maserati. The luxurious four-seater sports coupe was conceived as an ultra-modern interpretation of our very first production Grand Tourer, the elegant Maserati A6 1500 of 1947. And over the years, the GranTurismo has evolved into one of the most iconic Maserati cars ever built, thanks to its uncompromised GT character. This character is perfectly expressed by a uniquely compelling combination, bold yet elegant design, the exhilarating, inspirational performance of a naturally aspirated, Maranello-built V8 engine, and handcrafted comfort offered by 4 individual, Poltrona Frau seats. In essence, the GranTurismo is the ultimate expression of what Grand Touring means to Maserati. The GranTurismo, together with its Maserati GranCabrio sibling, is assembled at the historic Maserati plant of Ciro Menotti in Modena, following the highest manufacturing and quality control standards in the world. More than 37,000 GranTurismo and GranCabrio models have been sold globally since 2007. The Maserati GranTurismo range has been streamlined for 2018 and 2 well-defined versions will be offered, Sport and MC. The 4.2-liter GranTurismo has been discontinued, while the Sport and MC share the same powertrain and interior personalization packages. The MC, for Maserati course, takes on an important ambassadorial role for the entire Maserati range, representing the company's long and illustrious racing heritage. Replacing the previous MC Straddle, it offers a wide array of features already proven in other Maserati models. They include the 5 selectable operating modes.